How freaking unprepared was I? Forgot the camera.
Hi, Betty.
Watch out, Betty. You couldn't see her because it was dark out.
Really, nigga?
It's closed, okay? I am. What? Okay.
How much is that camera?
Enough.
Yeah,
Look at this, guys. Look at these mountains. I'm out of shape. Shh. Oh, hope you guys heard that. Matt looks like Ash Ketchum. Pika pika. Oh my god, we're encountering a wild snow wolf. Oh,
Hi,
Jesus
bear.
Christ. Jesus. Oh god. Oh god. Alright, so let me show you guys. This is actually a race car.
It's actually my
So
car.
we're about to take off. This is a paddle mode. We're in 1M, which means one mysterious power. Oh man, did you feel that, bro? Dude, that thing took the F off, bro. Like we almost crashed into the mountain, like right here. It's wild. I didn't tell you guys, I just work a lot, so that's why I haven't been making videos. But I say this in like every video. I'm gonna try to make videos more. I like to, but my Cadillac broke again. So when we get back, I'll explain that and hopefully get it fixed. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna whip the Nissan, you know what I'm saying? It's got sparkles on the steering wheel. It adds more power.
Still waiting down there.
Waiting on Grandma. So we're about to hit Wally World up because we need some
You didn't tell them where we are.
Oh yeah, we're in Tennessee. I don't know if any of you guys are from Tennessee, but if you are, comment down below if you're from Tennessee. I probably will never. Oh, we should hit that jump. But yeah, we're gonna hit up Wally World. Maybe mic up when we get in there. Who knows? So check out the mountains. That's what you do.
No.
Why don't you ever put me in the vlog? Alrighty, Avery. We're on the hunt for the pokies. Someone literally came here and took LeBron off. Now he's the thumb.
Yeah. People in Tennessee
Cats.
play about their puzzles.
Cats.
It looks like Kitty.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this son. Found this flea market. You know we have to always go thrifting. Have we made a video when we were thrifting and stuff? I don't think so, but that's what we do. If you guys want to check out any of the stuff we find, eBay's link in the description, but we're about to go check out some stuff. Sorry I didn't film at the flea market, but we got some pokies. I'll show you in a little bit, but we're here.
Can you partner with a blind person?
At the cookout. Oh, I did. Oh yeah, I did.
Play out the coupe in the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. I'ma get lazy.
We're gonna hit this bump. Here we go, here we go.
It takes courage to act. Part of being hungry when you've been defeated.
Oh shit. Go. Go. That's tough though. He has that 235M. They're fast.
Hi, Bear.
Hey, how you doing?
We're about to go down in Tennessee and go get some of them fish.
What?
You gonna catch a dang fish?
Same.
Same. I don't know. I mean, it could be or I couldn't. I mean, it's like a 50-50 chance.
Check out this puzzle. We'll update you like every day on the puzzle build.
Cats.
It'll be done by the time we leave for sure. Matt's got a nice fishing setup, you know. The grandma's setup's the best though. You know?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We're gonna go throw our worms out and hope for the best. Howdy there, folks. We're about to go get in the car. Cats. And then we're gonna catch some fish. Comment down below who you think's gonna catch fish first.
Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Like, I don't care. I don't care!
Driving solo, I'm just swimming through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up.
It really just hit me. So we didn't catch anything fishing because we don't like river fishing, but we're about to go and
we like trespassing fishing.
we're going to a dirt track to check out the dirty tire track.
Okay. Oh my god, Avery. Avery, get in the vlog.
Why?
You're so pretty and tan.
You know, it literally has the bumblebee thing on the side. That's funny. That's more like the wasp.
It's like a scat pack.
Scat pack. Dude, you see this fitment?
Fitment check.
Damn. That has like 35,000 horsepower. Why is it like that, bro? Yeah, baby, like that horsepower. I feel it. I feel it. What?
Sounds like monster truck.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in. Just one night. Don't give a fuck about the ground. Love this way. Doing on the show. Every other road. Why the fuck is that big thing? And I'm chilling on my mind. So it's like it back shit and shit.
I missed it.
I missed it. I always miss it.
Get it back to the pit area and get back to what it's been. Don't know. Call him. Well, don't count. 96. I called him in the
Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in. Every other night another Driving solo, I'm just swimming through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before